Hello students and welcome back to your maths class. Today we are continuing our lesson, that is multiplication word problem. Okay, so I have written one example from book itself. So the first question here is, there are 6 flowers in each row. There are 6 flowers in each row. How many flowers are there in 4 rows? So I have drawn 6 flowers in each row. So let us take, this is one row. Okay, so this is one row. So there are 6 flowers in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in first row. Okay, then this is second row. Alright, this is third, and this is fourth row. So the question is asking how many flowers are there in 4 rows. In one row, how many flowers are there? 6. Okay, so what we have to do is, first you need to write number of rows. Number of rows. How many rows are there? 4. Alright, number of rows 4. Now, second, number of flowers in each row. Number of flowers in each row. How many are there? Each row 6 flowers. So write 6. Okay, first we write number of rows, that is 4, and number of flowers in each row, that is 6. 6 in each row. Each means in one row. So now, according to question, we have to find 4, 6. 4 times 6. So according to question, we have to find 4 times 6, which means 4 times 6 means 4 into 4 times 6 means 6. Okay, equals to your 6 4s are, or 4 6 are 24. So there are 24 flowers. 24 flowers in all. Okay, so this is it. How many flowers are there? How many flowers we got in 4 rows? If you count this also, you will get 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this also you will get 24. If you multiply 4 times 6, you will get 24. The exact number of flowers in how many rows? 4 rows. Alright? Okay. This is just an example from your book, page number 91. So here, this is one important thing. If you count the number of rows like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows are there. Okay, now let us make the rows like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many rows altogether? 6 rows. And how many flowers in each row? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can simply make questions like this. There are 4 flowers in each row. How many flowers are there in, how many rows we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows, sorry. So 6 rows. Now the number of rows. Number of rows 6, just right. And number of flowers in each row, in place of 6 you write 4. Okay? So we have to find here in place of 4 6 times 4. 6 times 4. So this will be your, this is from previous, no. Now this will be your 6 into 4. 6 times 4 means 6 into 4. That is also 24. That is also 24. Since product is same, isn't it? Here also product is same, and here also product is same. In the both cases we have 4 into 6 is 24 and 6 into 4 is 24. Also comes under properties of multiplication. This also comes under properties of multiplication. If you multiply 4 into 6, the same number will come, that is 24. If you multiply 6 into 4, just opposite, you will get the same number. Okay? So no need to confuse. So it's like 4 into 6 equals to 6 into 4. The product will be same, 24. Okay? 4 into 6 or 6 into 4, you will get the same number in both cases. So if you count rows either this way or this way, the product will get same. Alright. So this is just also a properties of multiplication. Now we'll move on to next, that is question number 1 from exercise 5M. Question number 1, exercise 5.1. Okay, I'll do it very slowly. Okay, I'll do it very slow so that you get or you understand this thing properly. Okay, now the question is asking Renu, let me rub this up. Okay, now the question is asking Renu buys 6 boxes of apples. This is from exercise 5M. Okay, question number 1. Question is Renu buys 6 boxes of apples. 6 boxes of apples. There are 5 apples in each box. The question is how many apples are there altogether? Altogether. So this is your question. Renu buys 6 boxes of apple. Now, for example, if I make a box one box. Okay, so there are 5 apples in each box. 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this is apple. So in one box there are how many apples? 5 apples. Okay, now what we have to find is how many apples are there in 6 boxes. In one boxes there are 5 apples. So same kind of boxes, like 5 boxes, how many apples are there? If you buy 6 boxes, this is only one box I have shown you. Okay, now we'll find out. First we write number of boxes. Number of boxes, it is given 6. Number of boxes 6. Now second, number of apples in each box. How many apples are there in each, or in one box? 5 apples. Right, 5. Now what we have to do is we have to find we have to find 6 times 5. 6 times 5. We have to find 6 times 5. So here times means multiply. Okay, times means here multiply. So 6 times 5. Are you right in number? 6 times 5. It will be 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. So there are 30 apples in all. Right, in simple way. There are 30 apples in all. In all means in 6 boxes there are. So 6 is box, and 5 means number of apples in each box. Okay, so we do multiply. There are 30 apples in all. In all means in 6 boxes. Because the question is asking how many apples are there altogether. So we have found altogether apples. Okay, all apples in 6 boxes. Alright. Now this is very simple. Okay, and I hope it is clear also. Now move on to next question. Next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2. So let's see what is there in question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Some families are going on picnic. Some families are going on a picnic. Some families are going on picnic. If 5 people ride in each car and there are 7 cars. Then how many people are going on a picnic? Are going on a picnic. So this is the question. So some families are going on a picnic if 5 people ride in each car. Suppose this is a car, okay? So in one car, how many people are riding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are riding on a car, or means in one car. Okay. So there are how many cars? 7. So first, what we do, we write the number of cars which is given clearly out here. Number of cars, there are 7 cars, isn't it? But we do not know how many people are there in 7 cars. So number of cars given 7. Okay, and number of people in each car. How many? In each car, 5 people are there. 5. Okay? So we have to find here. We have to find. We have to find 7 times 5. 7 times 5. That means in number we write 7 times 5. 7 times multiply 5. Number of people. 7 total number of car. Then 5 number of people in each car. If you multiply, 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So there are 35 people in all. There are 35 people in all. So this is simple. First we count the number of cars given there and number of people in each car. So 5 people. I have shown you also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each car, means in one car. So we have to find total number of people in 7 cars. So what we do, we have to find 7 times 5. 7 number of car and 5 total number of people in each car. So 35 people in how many cars? 7 cars. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. Question number 1, 2, you can practice other remaining questions from the book itself. We'll continue our next class. We'll continue our lesson in the next class. Till then, stay safe and keep practicing. Thank you.